Hi everybody, Matthias here. In today's video, I'm going to show you a full tutorial on how to make a Game Pass in Please Donate. So if you want to make a Game Pass in Please Donate, then this video will be perfect for you. But make sure that you watch this until the very end, so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So what we're going to do first is to go into roblox.com and then log into our Roblox account. And now when you have done so, then you should come to this page right here. And actually, I would recommend you to do this on your computer and not on your mobile, because this is much easier to do on your computer, just so you know. So what we're going to do now is to click where it says create. So click on create in here. And if it's the first time that you click on create, then you will come to this page right here, where you need to actually click where it says manage my experiences. So click here, and then you will be taken to this page right here. So what we're actually going to do in here is to click where it says passes. So click on passes in here, and then you will be taken to this page right here. As you can see, I have created 3 passes before, but you have probably not created one in here. So basically, to be able to create a pass in like in here, what we're going to do now is to click where it says choose file. So I'm just going to choose my YouTube logo just to demonstrate, but you need to choose a file in here just so you know. And now you can give it like a name if you want to. So for example, like donation, and description, we can say like, thank you for donating, just as an example, basically. So thank you for donating. And now when you're done, just click on preview in here. And then we need to click where it says verify upload. Perfectly, as you can see, pass successfully created, but don't go back to the game yet, because we actually need to scroll down, and then we need to find the pass in here, and then we need to click on this like settings wheel in here, as you can see, and then click on configure. Great, we are now taken to this page right here. What we're going to do now is to click where it says sales. So click on sales, and actually we need to enable this one, and you need to be able to actually give a price for this one. So I'm just going to give it like 3. I think that's a reasonable amount. And as you can see, you will get 70% of that. So if somebody will donate me like 3 Robux, then I will actually only get like 2, as you can see, and Roblox will take one of them, just so you know. So what we're going to do now is to click where it says save. So what we're going to do now is to actually go back to our game, and then we're going to go into one of this and then click on E. Just hold it. And as you can see, I have my game passes in here. So basically this is exactly how to do so. So let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also please leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you an awesome day.